Okay, so here we go. Going to be doing bonnet struts on this. They have totally worn out. If you have a look, when this comes up, you're supposed to get to about here, but it's like the bonnet's really heavy and doesn't hold. And even up at the top, it won't hold. It just comes straight down. So we're going to replace the bonnet struts. Well, have a look at that redback spider. Look at him. Maybe we'll get him out of the way before we do the bonnet struts. He's really a ripper, that one. Anyway, so we'll get him out of the way and replace these bonnet struts so this bonnet stays up. Okay, so first things first, get yourself a pole, something that's going to hold your bonnet up. I mean, mine, nothing holds it up, but because you're going to be taking the struts off, you're going to need to hold it. Now, on the strut, you see up on the top here, you see this spring, and you're going to need a screwdriver under that, pull that spring back, and then that will release and come off. This one, we've taken off already, and you see that's the ball that we're going to click onto underneath that clip. There we go, is that out? So that's now out of the slot, as you can see, and then get a big screwdriver, hold the thing as well so it doesn't go flicking and scratch things. And there she goes, she's off. You see there's a ball in there that the new one's going to clip onto, so we just give that a clean up, top and bottom down here, and then the new strut will clip straight on. Okay, so when you look inside, you see the little metal clips, they're pointing towards you. That's what happens to clip over the ball. What you can't have happen is have that metal clip get bent as you're pushing it onto the ball. So these clips, just stick it on and it should just pull straight on, because that's the whole idea, there you go, of the spring clip. I mean, just try that, that's tight, that's not going to come off. Yep, and then down the bottom as well. That's on, then pull it off and pull it back to make sure it can't come off. We're on, just as easy as that. And the good news is, with one strut fitted, it's actually enough. We know that other one's wrecked as well, but with one strut fitted, it's actually done. So look, these are just so easy to get off. Little screwdriver under the back of the clip just to loosen that, pop it off, same down there. The new one just pushes in, don't have to do anything. They clip straight into place. Here we go, the rain's gone away. We've got God's promise not to flood the earth again. Thanks God, good deal. And let's get this on. Top one in place, bang, look how easy that is. Hang on, I'll come around. Comes in. But take your fingers away, there we go. Did that go on or didn't hear it click?
No, it didn't.
Yeah. Don't press it on the bar, but down on the, put your finger on the head. And we're on. Good job. Just check them both, that they're on tight, everything's in position, the springs are back. Tight, tight. Yeah. All right. Here's the test. These were not genuine BMW struts. These were cheapy ones. And let's just see. So when we open the bonnet and lift it up, oh, look at that. That's absolutely perfect. So when you come down now off the safety, clip it up, just lift it. Yeah, spot on. Brand new struts, problem solved. It's not going to drop on your head anymore. And a cocky's signing us off.